Vegans, we got a situation. It's EE Wednesday, 2-for-1 cinema tickets day, and there's only 5 of us. To make the most of the offer, we're gonna need another bacon.
Let's call Tremors bacon.
Negative. He's deep underground. Animal House bacon?
What about Flatliners bacon?
Good call. Let's do it. Why don't we just leave someone at home, man?
Hey, what about Apollo 13? He likes to be marooned.
Houston, we've got a problem.
That's not your line.
It's not even his film.
Ah, come on. Chill, Bacons. Hollow Man is all over this. Hey, easy, Rocket Man.
Hey, how'd you get in here without anybody seeing you?
How did you become an astronaut?